Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE and let me share with you how to show total screen time on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. Now let's enter your digital well-being tools, show your data, and as you can see here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So we've been using it for 42 minutes. What's more, it is divided into between particular apps. So after tapping on the settings, for example, we can check for how long we've been using this particular app, and we can check also the weekly graphs. So for example, for today, we've just been using it for today. Let's get back. Of course, it will work with all other apps. We've got also the unlocks have been counted and the notifications which we've received. Under it, we've got ways to disconnect. So it means that if you will have the time that you need to focus or work, then you will be able to find the particular mode, for example, the focus mode. And as you can see, you can select distracting apps. So you can select the apps which you are using usually, and you will be able to mark them and then just turn them off in particular hours. Under it, you've got also the option to reduce interruptions. You can reduce the notifications which you will receive, or you can enter the not disturb mode, and so on and so on. Here you can enter the parental controls. So actually that's all. This is how to show total screen time in your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.